trying to set up the offense. Ends up with Ferrer. Played phenomenal last game. Nashon ends up with it. Now taking it inside. Nashon, first bucket of the ball game. Short stab for Nashon.
Benedict Jimenez. Literal, nag-bulldoze lang siya sa loob eh.
Yeah,
We covered that game, di ba?
Yes, Coach Mark, that sequence where he got like 6 free. Another look at that three-pointer from Saez to make it a 5-0 run for the...
Keeping an eye on.
And Coach, even if you think na it's a bad shot from half court, Coach Mark Herrera doesn't. And that's the only thing that matters for him. We'll see a lot or maybe some shots from him in that half court or at least in that logo area. But meanwhile, three-pointer from Nino Ferrer to play Mandaluyong. So make that 8-4. And a short stab coming from Almante. Mandaluyong running the race that time, no other than Justin Elduayan. Polo, Saez kicks it out. Abuan has the leather. Sends it to Nashon. Nashon off the mark, put back, going in for Mark Quintero. Still off the mark for Chua. So here's De Leon off that Abuan pass. Great transition offense for Antipolo. Yung trying to generate some offense. Chua sends it to the other side. Attacking the paint. Completing the drive courtesy of Bon Irvin Daha.
I like what I'm seeing.
Nino Ferrer has it for Antipolo. Catched by Quintero. He's outside. Sends it to De Leon. He enters the paint. Mid-range jumper from inside the key. That is Mark Quintero.
That time opening up a jump shot for Quintero.
Daha to Chua. Tough shot. Doesn't fall for Irus. Going in that time courtesy of Almonte.
Mag-warm up na konti eh.
De Leon firing. Puts it in despite that good contest from Irus Chua. Another look at that three-pointer from De Leon from that right wing. Of course. Here comes Mandaluyong. Elduayan all the way against Ferrer. What a move coming from...
Feeling you there. Dadalawang isip ko talaga and see the finish here. But Elduayan, what a finish getting the contact.
Here comes the golden hand off the glass. Bailon. This time, great passing from Antipolo off the glass. That time it's pen anyway they can. Elduayan sends it to Daha. Entering the paint and imposing his dominance.
The way he takes it, sorry, look at that. Just 2 dribbles, he's right there, picks the ball up. Pound for pound fitness, foul counted play of the game.
It's as technical as it gets. Antipolo having the possession, and that time
Game. Coach B-Boy.
and right now he's still where you are, Coach. Irus Chua, the golden hand, making a statement, shooting it. And same with this guy, the golden hand. I think it's self-explanatory.
The golden hand.
Meanwhile, Bailon firing for 3. Gets it to go! After not scoring a single. Mandaluyong has it. Almonte backing down Penning. Oh, big boy moves all the way from the baseline. Has been phenomenal last game. Now at the corner, firing. Another make from Bailon.
3-point shooting itong JY Titans, which was absent in their first game. Only 2 of 18, but right now, oh my goodness. BGC yung kanina sa Antocho.
Intercepted. Daha on the run. Here comes Bon Daha, losing the leather, recovering it, making the bucket.
You know, if he was a smaller...
Meanwhile, Bailon, the confidence is there. Short, Hilario put back, goes in. Jet hit, but ends up with Antipolo, or rather Mandaluyong still with it as Almonte the spin And the shot.
Oh, the length of Mandaluyong.
Sends it to El Duayan. Inside. Getting it to go. Courtesy off on another look. Inside. Duayan against Ferrer. Putting on the move, the spin. Sends it out. Mid-range jumper. Doesn't go. Almonte. Offensive board. Putting it back inside. The fourth team foul of Mandaluyong. So we see the putback from not falling. Antipolo securing the board. Oh! Mark Quintero with that Pinoy step. Takes it to the other side. Bailon. Inside the key jumper. Gets it to go.
And now Antipolo.
Luyong. Almonte powering his way inside. Sends it out. El Duayan with the leather against Ferrer. Mid-range jumper. Selkie. Smooth.
If there was any question,
Up with Nino Ferrer. He attacks all the way to the hoop. Cuts it to 6. Polo, another look at that Nino Ferrer gliding through the air. Not able to make it. Here comes De Leon, 2-on-1. Espayos scoring 2 points. And speaking of John Richard Espayos, shout out for his son, and he wishes him the best in today's game. Out to Daha. Mid-range jumper going in. A guy as big as Bondaha. Up and running is Mandaluyong. Doesn't go for Daha. Or rather, that is Almonte. Getting confused with Almonte and Daha. Both guys are really just eating everyone in the paint as Bailon off the glass finding an opening. Cutting the lead for second quarter. 44-38. We shall return for the start of the second half. Able to get the leather. He brings it down. Espayos sends it out. De Leon, corner 3. Puts it in from that right pocket 3. Polo, but Iros Chua in and out for the golden hand. And Daha tried to slam that one home, but will settle for a simple off the glass layup. But meanwhile, here comes Bon Irvin Daha. Fade away, one-hander, doesn't matter.
What can you do? You're playing great.
Obviously, he was afraid of the tall defenders in front of him. Here comes Daha. Another one-hander fading away from the basket.
Can you do? The defense is right there. He takes the hit. He's fading away.
It's a pound-for-pound fitness foul counted. But now let's turn it over to... Meanwhile, Daha. Oh my goodness. I have no losing it. De Leon running the other side against Daha. He attacks. And David
Daha not enabling him to block the shot.
Mandaluyong sends it out. Daha for 3. Gets it to go. What more if parehas sila? Meanwhile, Jed Hilario stops and pops.
Antipolo slowly plugging away.
Hilario ends up with it. Great pass to Abikibel. Satparam unable to stop Abikibel.
Antipolo 20-11 to pump up this 15-point lead.
That goes in. Courtesy of Lordy Size. Abikibel sends it to the side. Ferrer, mid-range jumper going in from inside the key. Almonte fighting, putting his life on the line for that board. But Antipolo, Abikibel attacks, challenging Bon Irvin Daha.
See the finish by Abikibel over Bon Irvin Daha, getting away with...
Daha brings it down. Has been the guy for Mandaluyong. Saus assigned for him. The foul, the shot, count it, and one.
That as best as he could. He caught the first move. He caught the spin, just bailing him out on the foul. But the
So no call from our official. Here comes Daha all the way.
Undeterred. Wait.
Abekibel attacking the paint once more. Dadaluyong. How will Antipolo respond? Ferrer. Contested fadeaway. Going in anyway. And under 5 minutes remaining in our final chapter. Satparam. Too big. Too strong. Actually, 14-point lead for Mandaluyong. Elduayan all the way.
And that's the problem. No more ball pressure. Allowing Elduayan to go free there for the layup.
And obviously Mandaluyong using it to their advantage as it's Santillan putting it in against Abuan. Elduayan still with it. Hands it off. Almonte. Great drop pass.
Be physical with their defense because they're in the penalty
Hilario.
by this defense of Antipolo.
Hilario once more. It's now just an 11-point lead. Oh, putting it in the paint. Now it's Abuan. Brings it down for the Antipolo Titans. Oh, Mark Quintero of that great drop pass. All alone, Almonte lays it up. Almonte doesn't go. Almonte once again, 21 points.
14 rebounds after that.
Mention for this Mandaluyong Junior Micro Smith. Da.
He's not done.
At this point, he's never done.
Early here dito sa season natin.
And we see both teams going at center court, greeting each other. And yeah, as the buzzer sounds, that